Look who just jumped up on the couch like that's where he belongs. Yes, you did, didn't you? Look at you. You think you're going to sleep here tonight, don't you? You're going in your crate. I got a toy for you. Come on, Closa, let's go. Come on, buddy. Come on. Nothing, huh? You think that couch is where it's at? Come on. Come on, Closa. Come on, let's go to bed. I have a feeling you've been in a home before, because you knew exactly what that couch was for, didn't you? You did. You knew exactly what the couch was for. India, sit. Good girl. What do you think of this new kid? You're ready for him to go, huh? Yep. Hi, pretty. You're a good girl.